Bad news for the 350Z. After finally looking right, this wheel decides to take a shit on me. So I think that what it was. I hit a pothole and this shit got dented. Doesn't look flat, but it is. It's got a 10 psi. And it was good yesterday, so I'm gonna end up throwing on the BVS's, see how it looks. If they look good, I'll probably end up taking the wearing because it doesn't match now at all. And if they don't look good, I'll probably just throw the stock wheel on and see what I do about it. But yeah, bagged with the new headlights and shit. She was looking clean, se llamaba. Valió verga. So I'm gonna do that right now. So these are my BVS wheels from the one and only DC5 Creations. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out. You'll see the specs and everything there and how it happened. But yeah, these are 17s. I'm running 19, so these are way too small. But they're wide as fuck. They were supposed to be from outer sex, but like I mentioned, they're too wide. I had to run camera on it like crazy. Mira. Mango was packing, guys. If you guys follow these 5 creations, you guys can see. Help me out, guys. I mean, no camber, smaller tire, another car. What do you guys think? Can I even drive this shit?
I don't think so. But yeah, we made this video just to ask for help because we honestly don't know.
So yeah, but I already have one on. I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel, but I mean, I need them. Like if you see from right here, they look fucking fire. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna throw all of them on. If they don't convince me, I'm gonna throw the stock one. Just one stock one on. Fuck yeah, I know it's bad for the car, but yeah, this is the one that got fucked up. It's leaking and shit.
¿Cuánto más wide? ¿Están igual o what?
Look at that. I think it's just more. So it should look the same.
Ahí está, perro.
A huevo.
Ahí está, güey. Nada, si se la ven, güey. Se la ven también. Ahí está, bro.
That's very good inside. Yeah, I don't know. I'm like,
¿Eh? No sé. Ah, mira. Nah, mira, cáele. Cáele, nah. No, mira.
keep the wind, keep
Yes,
everything.
sir.
Yeah, that's
Sí,
good.
güey. Fuck
It's
that.
just that it has a bigger tire, a little bit more, yeah.
No más,
sí,
mira ahí se me la sé que eso de ahí. Mira. Nah, sí. De aquí era. Mira nomás. Yes, sir. What the fuck is that? My boy, you're on bags. That's better. You can go now. Jeez, no más.
So I ended up running the car with those wheels for a cool minute. I like it. I even took off the wing just to get that little, I don't know. It looks better, I guess. But yeah, I'm already gonna throw the black ones on because they're meant for this car. It looks clean, bro. The wheels look big, but they're 17s. This shit's aight. This one needs more camber. But yeah.
Hey, this bitch kinda heat.